Paul Ross and Joe Cipriani welcome you to 94 Roberts Street, Bayswater. A stunning architecturally designed home, craftsman built in the highly sought-after riverside suburb of Bayswater, close to the Swan River. Positioned in a most desirable tree-lined street, elevated high on the hill, lies this executive two-level entertainer's delight, with plenty of extras just perfect for families. From the moment you step into the grand entry, with its restored Jarrah floors, you will be amazed by its spaciousness. Offering a simply stunning open-plan family living and dining area, the spacious ground floor also boasts a theatre room for movie nights, a home office or fifth bedroom, under-stair storage or cellar closet, and a laundry packed with an abundance of storage. They say the heart of every home is its kitchen. This one has it all and more. Complete with Corian stone bench tops, quality stainless steel Miele appliances, abundance of limitless storage space, plenty of space for the serious home chef to create those mouth-watering taste sensations, as well as beautiful views out over the backyard oasis. The first floor has a sensational master bedroom with a separate walk-in robe, an impressive open-plan ensuite, and a private balcony to sit back and relax. The 3 additional bedrooms are spacious and share the deluxe main bathroom. The real star, however, is the impressive backyard and outdoor space, filled with so many features that every family will fall in love with. This zone is the perfect area to entertain or simply relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy the view overlooking the sparkling and inviting heated pool from the cabana or the alfresco area. With comfort and style of the interiors, the owners have created a glorious home designed for year-round entertaining, offering space for large gatherings and something for everyone, including a pizza oven. You will love entertaining family and friends all year round. This residence affords your family a lifestyle-changing opportunity to enjoy the very best of what this Bayswater location has to offer. To avoid missing this outstanding opportunity and to arrange a private viewing today, contact the selling agents Paul Ross on 0428 571 050 or Joe Cipriani on 0417 948 078. You won't be disappointed.